Hey guys, welcome back. On this video, I'll be showing you how you can resolve this type of issue. When you click on your autoresponder, you usually do have this type of issue once in a while, and you keep wondering exactly how can you resolve this issue and what is the permanent solution for this. And that is exactly what I'll be showing you. Okay, this is very simple, so stick to the end of this video so you don't skip any step and make mistake, because if you make any mistake you might end up like not getting your rules back. You don't want to lose your rules, right? You don't want to lose your auto responses, so you really want to take these steps one after the other. So on this video tutorial, I'll be taking you through this one after the other. Now you must have observed that even telling you to update, when you try to update it, when you go to Play Store, you'll observe that there is no button to update it with. Now I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Now this particular error message which is showing update required, update this app to continue using it. Sometimes updates are important to fix bugs or roll out major changes. Don't worry, it won't take long. Just click on update and update it on Google. Now when we click on update and then it takes us to Google, this is what happens. If this is exactly your problem, when you come to Google and you're unable to update it, it's still showing you that you should go ahead to open instead of update. We don't have update button here, even though it was update that we intended to come and do. So if I click on this open button, it still goes back and shows me the same thing. Now this is a problem, and this is exactly what I'll be showing you how to fix. And when you close this app, what happens? It actually closes, and when you reopen the application, it still brings back this. Now the only way out to get this resolved is clicking on backup. And what are we trying to do when we click on backup? We are trying to back up this rule, so we have to back up the auto responses. So click on backup. As soon as you click on backup, this is the response you're going to get. So you click on import export and you click on export. Make sure you export with contact, right? There is a reason for that. It's important you export with contact. So when you export with contact, and we are going to choose a name that we want this thing to be saved as. Let me just save it as Osheku Tech Rule, Osheku Tech, then rule. So let me just save it as this so I can easily look for it. Now after saving this, right, after saving this, I think that is all we need. Come in just a moment. All right, so after saving this work right now, this is the next thing we are going to do. We are going to go clear the cache, clear the data of this application. Select app info, right? This is what I did. Long click on it and then select app info, and it will take you to this part where you can select storage. When you select storage, you select clear data, or in some phones you're going to find clear storage. Whichever one you have, just clear data or clear the storage. So okay, what this will do is it will make all the rules inside to like disappear, right? So even if we go inside the application, it will still show that error message, but then there won't be any rule inside. Even if I say get started and I give permission, for instance, allow and do the necessary things, this is not the solution, right? Because we are still going to have this same error message. So after clearing the data, you need to uninstall the application. So let's go uninstall the application. Click on and then we are going to uninstall it. Just make sure you uninstall it. So as soon as we uninstall this application, we don't have this application any longer, right? So we're going to go and get this application. Usually I have APK for this application somewhere, right? So I'm going to use the APK to just download the APK. And by the time I have finished downloading the APK, you must have this APK somewhere, or you get that you get from Play Store, right? Depends on where you're getting it initially from. So now you install this and you open. So you do the necessary settings and go to settings. You allow, if it is on WhatsApp, you have to allow whatever application you're using to install it. So you install. So as soon as we install this new version of the autoresponder, we are going to bring back our rules into it. So the idea is this: first of all, you back up your rules, and second, you get your autoresponder back, like the new version of the autoresponder, and you import back your rules. Basically, this is it. So let me show you how you can import back your rules. Stay till the end of this video because there is something really very important I will be revealing to you guys. So complete, open. Now get started, and then you go ahead to allow autoresponder, allow it, and then let's go back into the app, and you're going to see that we don't have the error message any longer. Can you see that? So we don't have the error message any longer. Now the important thing is how to get back your rules. How to get back your rules. It's important to note that if you want to get back your rules, you click on these three dots and then you import export, select, and then it is import. When you're bringing back your rules, it is import you're going to click. So you click on import, and one very important thing you want to do at this point is select on add. Always select on add, right? Because when you override, it means it's going to like take over whatever it is in that rule. So add, and let's search for the rule that we backed up. I could remember saving the rule as Osheku Tech, right? Osheku. So you just come to your phone and search for it. Here is it. So click on it, and then boom, you can see my rule is back, right? Here are the rules, and now there is no error message again showing me to update. So this is how you solve this type of problem. I hope you got value in this video, and if you do, tell me in the comment section if you are able to resolve this issue, and don't forget to hit the like button of this video so that other individuals will be able to see this particular solution, because I observed a lot of persons have been having serious issues regarding this, and that is why I am putting out this video, just for people to get their issues resolved. So, and you can share this video to other persons that you feel might be facing these challenges. Let them know how they can resolve these issues themselves without any stress. And if you found value in this video, please subscribe to this channel and on the notification bell, because subsequently I'll be dropping awesome content regarding WhatsApp automation, regarding WhatsApp marketing, and regarding Android applications in general. Do have a nice day. Bye for now. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and on the bell icon so you don't miss further videos like this.